Hey everyone, my name's Colton. Today I'll review how to set up an oxygen concentrator with a low flow regulator. For this setup, I'll be using the 5 LPM Everflow concentrator. This method is very similar for other units as well. To begin the regulator setup, remove the dust caps from the oxygen in and out ports. Now, you can screw the included 3-way valve onto the oxygen in port of the low flow regulator. Next, we'll take the oxygen tubing that has a fitting on one end and screw that into the 3-way valve right here. We can now take the other end of this tubing and attach it to the concentrator. We will take the other piece of oxygen tubing and connect one end to the oxygen out port of the low flow regulator. The other end will go to the oxygen in port of your ozone generator. When turning on your concentrator to use your equipment, you will want to let it warm up, allowing it to rise in purity. To do this, you will turn the off valve on the 3-way valve so that the off points towards the low flow regulator. This will allow the oxygen to escape out of this port. Now, you can turn on your oxygen concentrator and set it to 5 LPM. After letting the concentrator warm up, you can turn the flow down to 2 LPM and turn the off valve on the 3-way valve to the port with no connection. From here, you'll set your low flow regulator to whichever flow rate you would like. To power off the setup, you will turn off the oxygen concentrator and point the off portion on the 3-way valve at the low flow regulator so that it's prepared for next time you use the equipment. Thanks for watching. Check out our other YouTube videos for more information and be sure to follow us on social media. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and hit that notification bell for future videos.